Hey superstars, happy April. It's Magi Helena, tired but showing up. Here's your astrological forecast for April 2023 using scientific multidimensional astrology. Plus, I have new free goodies for you. My syndicated Your Daily Astrology horoscopes have a readership in the millions. See a link in the text below the video to get my column into your newspaper or find my forecast online. As a mother of algorithms, I've turned complex astrology into simple tools. One-dimensional astrology is fine, you just can't depend on it. And dependable astrology is not remotely simple. When you don't have the time or the tools to run all the calcs yourself, check out my instant personal astrology calendars and love compatibility reports. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos are released. Free classes for 2023 will need to wait at least another couple of months. I still have a lot of catching up to do, and I have news. Drum roll. We has the new algorithms. The Society stopped offering best and worst days about 8 months ago, and since then it's been taking me about 20 hours a month to prepare them for you. That was so not efficient. So I automated again, and it worked again. I've spent another month doing the tango with mi amor, Algo Ritmo, and wow, do we dance well together, feeling this alive, while buried in sheets and numbers gets my nerd card renewed every year. Every time it's weeks of living on dark chocolate and old sweats with dirty hair, and very little else happening at all. If I look wiped out, that's why. And if I looked wiped out last month, that's why too. This new algorithm, this beautiful new baby, literally just scores every day. It has more than 3,000 lines of computation. It took me 38 versions until the weighting was right, and it factors in everything important. I'm still bug testing and will be doing a lot more testing before I completely release this tool. I don't release anything till I'm sure it's called accountability. And in any case, the angels have said not to rush this beast, take my time, learn all it can do. So there's a lot more to come, but effective right now, you get new free goodies. Click the link in the text below the video. Here's what you'll see on my new Best and Worst Days page. First, you'll now be able to see both the current month and the upcoming month, so you can plan ahead. Second, days are now divided into 5 quality categories instead of 3. So now you get very best days, second best days, neutral days, second worst days, and the very most disgusting worst days to absolutely avoid. All free because I love you. So now let's talk specifically about April. April is again a not great month. And since I can now see way in advance, I can tell you that the next few months aren't awesome either, although there are a few windows of opportunity here and there. It's heaven to be able to compare one month's best and worst days to other months. It really shows on an apples-to-apples level what is and isn't worth waiting for. It is a truly beautiful thing. In my new format, the best days, which could be good enough for firsts, are bright gold. Second best days are light gold. Days with neutral or mixed energies are white. The worst days are shown in the darkest gray, and poor days, which are less bad, are light gray. See April and May and the key to fully understanding this new format on my website. April's worst run of days happens mid-month. The reasons these days scored so terribly are due to these primary factors: a Sappho fear vortex, negative financial geometry, a peaking heartbreak, and a peaking nuclear clash. April's best run of days comes late in the month. These days could be good enough for a first if your own personal cycles are truly lit. Firsts are things like first face-to-face, starting a new business or a new job, debuting on a new social platform, starting with a new doctor, dentist, or hairstylist, starting a new medication, or even a new beauty product. These best days of April scored highly, primarily because of many helpful geometries supporting Sun, but there are also a lot of helpful two-planet aspects and a couple of juicy financial progressions. These days are good enough for love, but better for money. Get DIY info for calculating your personal transits and get a coupon. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If there's someone that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Get intentional with your timing. Understand current and past relationships and build your dreams. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. There is so much more news to come. Stay tuned. I'm obsessed right now. I'm working like a maniac to bring you all the great new stuff. And because I'm a nerd, I'm loving every minute. Here is wishing you a truly amazing April.